Hey, my Cray Craz, it's me, Cece Perez. I actually finally had to make a catchphrase for my YouTube because I don't know, for some reason I didn't come up with one, so now I actually came up with one, so props to me. Hey guys, it's Cece Perez. Well, as you could tell by the thumbnail, like creative with Cece. Basically today I'm gonna show you how to do a type of abstract type of art that for some reason yesterday I thought of doing it, so I'm gonna show you what I have right now. Okay guys, so this is what I have so far. So yeah, these are my abstract shapes that I was doing yesterday. For some reason, I was up at 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning. I couldn't go to sleep. Basically, I was tossing and turning and I couldn't think of a catchphrase, so I was like, what the hell, might as well just stay up and just do abstract art or whatever you call it. And I came up with these guys. So, today I'm gonna show you how to use your creative juices, and I'm actually going to turn the page. Basically, these were just practice ones, so for my artwork, I'm going to be using my standard Deca pen. Basically, I got this from my high school because they won a contest, so props to them. Arts Loft 0.05 pen. And I'm gonna be using a Prismacolor black brush pen. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so I just got my stuff set up. So these are the things I'm gonna be using. Maybe, possibly. Maybe the pen, I'm not really quite sure. But today I'm gonna be making an art piece with just Sharpie metallic markers. I have gold, bronze, and silver. So these are gonna come from the outlining, okay? So just bear with me, guys. So let me just zoom in a little. Hope I can. No, I cannot. Oh, there we go. A lot. There we go. Now, okay. Let's see here. So, I don't know. What do you guys think I should start with? Maybe like bronze or gold? Let's just start out with gold. No, bronze. Let's start out with bronze. Now, as you could tell in my other art pieces, I did shapes. So, I'm always going to start out with... Please tell me that these aren't dry. Oh, you mother... Okay. That was very interesting, and it was really messed up also. One of the bronze that I had, this is another one. The bronze that I had has gone kaput, meaning it has died. So RIP Sharpie marker bronze. Let's do this again. Oh my god, please, please work. Please work. Are you guys seeing this? Come on. Come on, work. Please. Work for mama. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Okay, I just have to jumpstart its heart. Okay. So, that's bronze, everybody. Now, since we're going to be overlapping, here at this little corner, I'm just gonna do gold, silver, and bronze. Now there's a difference here, people. Now gold, I don't know, maybe I'll make a square, but I'm not gonna do gold yet because I want to break the dark and the dark color. I want to break the dark color with a light color. So maybe I hope this works. Overlap. It's my first time doing this with the metallic markers. Oh, okay, so that worked pretty well. Alright, So that's that one. Okay, that worked very well. Now, it's not really gonna look like anything, but I'll be back with another gold and another silver placed. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, sorry about that. My camera decided to turn off on me, so that's really nice. Okay, so basically, okay, so I added the, extra, shapes in silver and gold. Now I'm gonna do another bronze. Yeah, I'll add a bronze over here. Okay. And arrow going down. It could be regular shapes or whatever shape you want it to be. And now one more gold and I think we're done for this little doodle. There we go. Okay, and there you go. Okay guys, now it's time for the brush. Now, you want to be really careful with what you're doing. So let me just close up here. Yeah, okay, better. So you're gonna do it here. I'm just doing a solid black outline for all of the shapes. Here. And you could go over like if you did a little mistake. If you have like a little area, you could do that. And there you go. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is fill in whatever white space you have. and yeah, then you'll be done. It's not that hard. It's just a little doodle that could help you with anxiety or, you know, daily stress. Maybe if you're mad at something or someone, you could try to make a shape. And yeah. And basically that's what it looks like. And there you go, guys. That is my little doodle for the metallics. As always, I will put my signature. And yeah, that's it. So this is what I used. Metallic Sharpie Silver, metallic Sharpie Gold, and metallic Sharpie Bronze. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this creative time. Alright guys, so that was being creative with Cece. Now, keep in mind, you could basically use this like a little therapy thing if you want. Or, you know, if you're just stressed out, you could just use it. I would recommend you guys to get the metallic Sharpies because they're more pigmented than maybe other brands. I don't know. I might try to see if Prisma has metallic. So this will be my new ending sentence. So, as always, stay crazy, but stay creative. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!